All right, so we've got the column. We've got the column welded up. We got one piece. We got the extra piece in the center to stiffen it up to make it a little bit stronger. We got it straight as we need to. And what I'm gonna do up here at the front, this is gonna be the top of it, is I'm gonna weld me 2 gussets on here so I can actually just take my boom truck and lift it up in the air. But this stuff here is kind of thin. It's about 1/8 of an inch steel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna plate it. I'll cut me a hole in the center of a plate. I'm gonna double plate it right here where I'm gonna put my gusset at, just so it'll be a little bit stronger and have a little bit more of an area to be pulling on instead of pulling on one little spot. So I ain't likely to get up there and something happen and it tear, or later on down the road go to pick it back up again and it's got rusty and tear open. So all I'm gonna do is add an extra plate here, and I've already welded that one side, so I'm just going. It's already hot. I should be able to tap it and roll it around a little bit at a time. If not, I'll weld it right here, weld it here and get it hot, and I'll just tap it around just a little bit at a time. You got to tap it while it's still warm. I weld it a little bit more and tap it a little more. And now that makes it a lot more stronger, so when I put my plate on here, I'm not just grabbing in one little line. I got more of a space that it's putting pressure on. So I'll flip it over on the other side, and I'll make the one to do the same thing on the other side. We'll just tilt that side up. We'll tilt it up just a little bit. All right, we'll go ahead and drill the hole since it's up in the air. I don't have to worry about drilling through the plate there. We can get a clean hole. All right. Get some of them shivers from up under. Hold the plate up. Same thing. We'll tap it around, weld it, tap it, weld it, tap it. All right. I'll run back around it again when it cools off a little bit, and then I'll grind it down, and then I'll weld me a gusset. I'll go ahead and cut me a gusset out of 1/4 inch plate while I'm waiting on that. And that way we'll have it ready. right, so I got a little small 1/4-inch plate here, and I'm just going to go back. I'm going to go back a little bit further than I got it marked there. Go back right there. Yeah. So it's best to go ahead, if you got a little small piece, go ahead and, if you're going to cut it with a mag drill, go ahead and cut it before you cut your piece real small. It's easier to handle. I cut my holes out, and then I'll slip my piece off in a small piece, whatever I need it. It's easier for me to hold it still like that. All I want is just these two small corners off of here. That's all I'm after. All right, these are the only two pieces I'm after right here. These two small little pieces. And what I want to do is just weld a gusset right here where I can pick this thing up. So it ain't going to take a whole lot to get it up. Yep. All righty. All right. So we'll knock that tip off a little bit. We don't need that sharp tip. We'll knock it down some. All right, we'll flip it over and we'll do the same thing. So before we flip it over, we'll try to get the center of the eye right here. Not the tip of it, but the center of that hole. That's what makes the difference. So we on a good spot on the pipe to the center of the hole. We got 8 5/16. Yep, 8 5/16. So we'll roll it over. We'll do the same thing. All right, so we knocked that point off. Same thing. We don't need it. All right, so now I can just take my truck and I can hook a strap to it and I can pick it up in the air, 30 foot, whatever I need to pick it up. I don't have to worry about trying to go down there and hook a rope to it and slip and twist and fall. I can hook it right here at the top. I can pick it straight up in the air and I can set it down on whatever I want to set it down on and bolt it up when I get the bottom plate welded on it. We'll make us a plate for the bottom. I don't think I'll make it today because I ain't got a piece of steel ready that thick. I'll have to go find a piece out of the scrap pile and clean it up and all that mess. So we'll make us a base plate for it and we'll make us a top cap where I can mount my top piece that goes on it, and then we'll come back.
Rockin' bros.